guys, I'm Vageesha and I'm at this beautiful island called the Havelock Island. I've just checked into this resort called the Gold India Beach Resort and I'm going to take you right through it.
Back to that little place where we used to go in the summer days. We dip our feet at the water's edge.
The best part about this resort is that it is situated right on the beach. I mean, look at that. That's right across my room from this resort in Gold, India. And look at that. It's the beautiful, beautiful beach right there, the Havelock Beach.
Competition to see who can trap for longer. 'Cause every year my body's getting stronger.
So guys, this is the beach that is the private beach at Gold India Beach Resort. Right now the water has receded, it is low tide, but during the morning time and evening time the water comes up right till here, till where I'm standing. Look at me, the water comes right here. It is lovely. The water, it comes right up to your feet. You can enjoy the beach side. It's lovely. That is the resort right there. And I want to show you this area, which is the beach area at the resort, where you could actually sit down, you could have a meal, you could have your food and drinks, and you could really enjoy in the beach side. Usually at nights, because the water is at high tide at that point and it's right up till here. I'm going to record that and show you tonight also.
Let's go back to that little place where we
So this is the area which is like the beach side activity area where you could have fun. I'm going to record more of this area tonight and show you what exactly it looks like. Guys, I have booked my beach vacation with help from www.onlinevacations.in. This is one great website to book your beach vacations and all sorts of vacations. They have all the services that you require. They are a one-stop shop for all your travel needs, and I really want to thank them for their amazing service, because I am completely enjoying my vacation and I hope that you do that as well. Let me take you to the restaurant at this resort. You know what I love? I love having a meal with a direct view of this sea behind me.
dip our feet at the water's edge, and everyone would come along to meet us there. We'll have a competition to see who can trap for longer. 'Cause every year my body's getting stronger. We can swim all day and dance into the night, but we're not coming home till the moonlight shines, till the moonlight shines.
Time for a room tour, guys.
Let's go back to that little place where we used to go in the summer days. The lodge by the water's still my favorite place, and I could come every year and it wouldn't change. Let's go back to that little place where we used to go when you
So guys, this is me Vageesha signing off and logging out of this beautiful beach resort, Gold India Beach Resort. I hope that you enjoyed my video. Do stay subscribed. Bye bye. Take care. Called Star shit. India Resort. Online India Star.